Hello learners, today we are going to learn about switch, break and continue statements. Let's begin with switch statement. The adjacent diagram represents the functioning of a switch statement. The switch statement is also called the constant multi-way conditional statement. The program encounters the situation to choose the particular option from the many kinds of statement. To solve this problem, you can use if-else statement also, but that is a bit complex than the switch statement. The general format of the switch statement is given below. Now let's see an example of switch statement. In this code, we see that the switch statement has three cases and a default. Whichever statement is true, the output will come accordingly. So int num is equal to 2. We can see that the default value is 2. Now let's learn about break statement. The diagram represents the functioning of a break statement. A break statement is used to terminate the execution of the loop and the control is transferred to next statement or break. When break encountered in a loop, remaining part of the block is skipped and the loop is terminated, passing control out of the loop as we can see in the adjacent diagram. Now let's see an example of break statement. In the following code, we can see that a for loop is being implemented from I is equal to 0 to less than I is equal to 10. And we also see that a break statement is used at I is equal to 5. So the output of this code would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the loop breaks after when I becomes equal to 5. Now continue statement. The diagram represents the functioning of continue statement. Unlike break statement, the continue statement does not terminate a loop. It only interrupts a particular iteration. Whenever the continue statement is encountered, the remaining loop statements are skipped and the computation process directly goes to the next pass of the loop. Now let's see an example of continue statement. In this example, there is a for loop from I is equal to 1 to I is less than 10 and a continue statement is being implemented at the value I is equal to 5. Hence, the output would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on till 10 because the loop got continued after I is equal to 5.